Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again, people. Much love and appreciation as usual. So people, the final of the Diamond League is happening tomorrow and Thursday, people. And news reaching YaadAndAbroadTV is that Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce has pulled out of the 100-meter, people. Yes, so we're not going to have the similar 1, 2, 3 finish that we're accustomed to in these Diamond League, people, because only Elaine Thompson, I think Natasha Morrison is going to be in the 100-meter. People were saying Shericka Jackson pulled out of the event, but she's actually running the 200-meter instead of the 100-meter. You don't know, Shericka Jackson is a very versatile athlete, people. She does the 100-meter, 200-meter, 400-meter, 4x400 relay, people. She's very versatile, and it looks like she can run from now till forever. You see me, people? So Shelly has pulled out, according to her agent, and Shericka will be running the 200-meter. So we're going to have Natasha Morrison and Elaine Thompson representing Jamaica in the 100-meter, people. So yeah, people, I'm reading an article from Loop News Jamaica, people, where it goes on to say two-time Olympic 100-meter champion Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce will not compete at the Wanda Diamond League final in Zurich on Thursday. Fraser Pryce, along with her Jamaican compatriots Elaine Thompson-Herah and Shericka Jackson, qualified for the 100-meter final in Zurich based on points accumulated over the series. The top 8 athletes, based on points, earned the right to compete in the 100-meter to 800-meter finals, and with only 2 days before the 100-meter final, Fraser Pryce's name was not among the athletes provisionally listed by the organizers. The shocking news was confirmed by Fraser Pryce's agent Paul Dowley on Tuesday. No, she will not run, Track Alerts quoted Dowley as saying. The Diamond League final just wasn't in the plans. Only 7 of the 8 athletes were provisionally listed in the women's 100-meter final on Tuesday. Fraser Pryce and Ivory Coast Olympic 4th place finisher Marie-José Talou finished the series atop the standings with 28 points each. Thompson-Herah 23 points and Jackson 19 points finished 3rd and 4th respectively. However, Jackson, who won the Olympic 100-meter bronze medal behind Thompson-Herah and Fraser Pryce in Tokyo last month, had qualified to compete in both sprints in Zurich, but has decided to run only the 200-meter. Thompson-Herah and Fraser Pryce have rewritten the World 100 all-time list this season, between them running 5 of the 9 fastest win-legal performances in history. Thompson-Herah, who won an Olympic triple in Tokyo, has the edge with her remarkable 10.54, just 0.05 seconds of Florence Griffith's Joyner 1988 world record set at the Diamond League meeting in Eugene, and she also clocked a 10.61 in Tokyo and 10.64 in Lausanne. Fraser Pryce ran 10.60 to upset Thompson-Herah at the Diamond League meeting on August 26th, and 10.60 is a new personal best and the 3rd fastest women's 100-meter time in history. She also won in Doha, finished 2nd to Thompson-Herah in Eugene, and 4th in Gateshead. With Fraser Pryce out, that's not to say Thompson-Herah will be taking things easy as she lines up alongside Talou and Britain's world 200-meter champion Dina Asher-Smith, who continues her season after injury affected her ambitions for Tokyo. In a field full of sub-11 second sprinters, they will be joined by USA's Javani Olivier, Britain's Daryl Nita, and Swiss stars Angele Del Fonte and Monginga Kamunji. I don't know if I'm pronouncing those 2 names correctly, people. You gotta bear with me. With Asher-Smith, Talou, and Kambunji set to double up in the 200 meters final 75 minutes later. So people, yes, you heard that correctly. So Shelly is out of the 100 meter. Shericka is out as well. She will be participating in the 200 meter only, people. So yeah, man. So Elaine Thompson and Natasha Morrison will be representing Jamaica in the 100 meter. And people, Elaine not take nothing lightly, you know. So she still a go out there go run her race, no matter who is in it. And you know it's the last race of the season for her. So I know she go out with a bang, you see me? I know she go out with a bang, and hopefully she can break that world record, people. That would be a nice way to end your season, you see me? That would be a great way to end a season. So we just stay tuned and see what go on with Elaine and other race of people. In the men's 100 meter, unfortunately, we don't have any Jamaicans in the 100 meter men's finals, people. We don't know what go on. The men, them, you know, them just have to just regroup and come back stronger. You see me? Because you don't know, say Jamaicans always dominate both men and women sprinting. So we just know, say the men, them are going to come back out stronger. And if people ask what happened to Shakari, we don't know what happened to her. She's not competing. She don't have enough points to be in this final, isn't it, people? And matter of fact, she just ran 11.19 the other day and came in. I think she came in second or third. And if she had run with Elaine and Shelly and Shericka in that race, maybe she'd have come last. I don't know, people. I don't know. She have to go prove me wrong. I don't say her as a runner, people. I don't know. Think it's just a buck up. She have to go come out stronger, show something different. But she not in a them race, and we are gonna stop talking about her until she do something for us to talk about. You see me? We don't know why we are giving her so much attention when she not win race. You see, if she a win race, then we can talk about it. She not winning no race, people. So we need to let go that and focus morely on the winners, second place, third place. You see me, people? Why we are talking about people who now finish race and who come last? That don't make no sense. So Elaine Thompson in the 100 meter at Zurich in the final, and Shelly is out, people. Shericka is in 200 meter. That's all I have for you guys right now, people. Me telling the result when it do happen. All right. Bless up in yourself. Much love from Yard and Abroad TV, people. Loving it, isn't me? Bless up.